Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back into my YouTube channel. So, guys, as promised that every Sunday we're doing a Sunday market breakdown. Yeah, today I'm gonna start with AUD USD. But then before I start, guys, for the people who are new in our channel, please do subscribe into our channel and help us to grow. So I'm gonna do Sunday market breakdown, guys. I'm just gonna be straightforward, guys. I don't wanna make this video long, guys. Just wanna give you some of the pairs that I do have on my watch list for this week. So, guys, what I'm having currently on AUD USD, uh, I had this order block right here. Sorry for the network, guys. I'm having an order block right here, guys. I know that we're still having some other order blocks that we left previously right there, but then I wanna focus on the order block that we're having currently here. I think this order block, it was valid enough for for the market to go into the downwards since we have been going to the upside. So if we can try to look right here, where an impulse, correction, and impulse. So right now, when the market reversed, we had an impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase. We're anticipating the market to go to the downward. So hence I said this order block, it has been valid. So what I wanna do is to try and combine the two strategies that we're using. Remember, we're using Falcon and Smart Man. So with Falcon, guys, this is what we had. We had a nice Falcon pattern right here when the market mitigated that order block, and we can all see that uh, the market mitigated the order block in a reversal manner. Guys, we can see that the market rate here, uh, it was corrective actually rather than impulsively. So what we are anticipating for the next move, guys, is for the market to come and reach at least 90% of this move. Actually 90% is where the actual market structure started. So this is where the market started. Actually, let me put it below here. This is an area where the market started when it was forming this higher highs, lower lows, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So, what I'm having currently, after the market made this impulse, right now we're in a correctional phase. So, this is just gonna be easy, guys. We're having a correctional pattern right there, or we should call it a continuation pattern. So my entry on this position is gonna be immediately after it broke my continuation pattern. I'm gonna place my stop loss above this continuation pattern. So this position, guys, is straightforward, guys. For those who will be taking a AUD USD with me, please do make sure that you protect your capital as soon as we got checked in inside this trade, and then we see some little profit. Please do protect your capital, guys. Trade defensively rather than offensive. So when this thing is right here, I'm gonna place my stop loss above here. You can see that with this continuation pattern, we had a nice double top pattern as a confirmation that this market is going to the downward. So this one is straightforward, guys. Another confirmation that I do have is for a head and shoulder pattern. So if you can try to see clearly, we're in a we're in the right shoulder actually of a head and shoulder pattern. So we're having a lot of confirmations that this market would come to a 90% rule of this thing right here, guys. The first one, order block was valid. We're in a correctional phase with a continuation pattern, a head and shoulder pattern. Now we're waiting for the market to break this continuation pattern, then we're entering in this position. So this one, guys, it was straightforward. Now I'm gonna move into the other pair. I'm actually having a lot of pairs right here, but I'm only gonna share 3 pairs with you. So the next pair, it's gonna be a Euro USD. So with Euro USD, I got stopped out last week. I don't wanna lie, but still a good position though. So last week, this is what I had. That's why I didn't wanna remove everything, because of this is what I had last week. So last week, guys, as we all can see that here that I placed a sell position here when the market mitigated my order block, so I got stopped out. My stop loss is above right there, I think somewhere there. I got stopped out right here, guys. But it was fair enough for the market to take me out since I saw my mistakes. It's not necessarily the mistakes. Sometimes it do happens that the market takes you out, even if the trade is too nice. So what I saw with this position, I had a nice reversal pattern here. It was enough for me with this confirmations. It was enough for me to take this position, but then we got stopped out actually. So what I'm gonna, I mean what I'm having right now, I extended this thing. I evolved with the market. So this basically, it was what do we call, it was basically a mass psychology actually. The market took a lot of people out right here, including me actually. Yeah, so the market took us out there, but we don't one, I mean, we don't give up in our analysis. We evolve with it. So right now I'm having something like this. So with something like this here, it's gonna be a 90% of this pattern. So for me to take this position, since we're an impulse, I'm looking for a continuation pattern around this area for me to take this position. I know that after this impulse, the market has a tendency of coming to respect the trend line right here. Or if the market doesn't give me something of that nature, but then I managed to get a continuation pattern right here, I might have an impulse pattern. At least the market would also come here around here to form something like a head and shoulder. Let's say this is our left shoulder and this one is gonna be our right shoulder, guys. Right now I'm focusing on what would happen. This thing is not a guesswork, guys. The reason why I'm focusing is that I don't want to be surprised when the market do something like that. So what I'm gonna wait for is for the market to give me a continuation pattern around this area. Then that's when I'm gonna be able to try and catch this trade, guys. I know that I got stopped out, but then I don't give up in this position. It's still a valid position, this one, though. Just that the market sometimes takes a lot of people out, including me. So with this one, guys, with a nice continuation pattern, I'm taking this one to 90% of this rule. So guys, with this one, for those who will enter, use proper risk management, guys. But it's a good position though. So the other pair I'll be opening, it's gonna be gold. Someone also asked that we should include gold in our analysis. So I did included gold in my analysis. So basically I analyzed this one already. This order block above, I think it was valid enough. I think we also had a liquidity around this area. There was money that laid above. Actually, in this area here, around this area, there was free money there. Some people are trading support and resistance. They sold when the market reaches this area here. But then, for us, since we're trading smart money and Falcon, because we were patiently waiting for the market to mitigate the order block above. So, guys, I don't want to speak much about this one. Straightforward, this one. We're having a nice Falcon pattern. One, two, three. We're also having a pattern within a pattern. Let me try to open 1 hour. On 1 hour, we're having a pattern within a pattern. So it's actually three pattern. It's actually two patterns within these bigger patterns. We're also having a pattern within this one inside. So what I'm gonna look for in this area, since we already made an impulse, continuation pattern. If it forms something like a hover, if it forms around this area, I'm taking this one to 90% of this one here. So the reason why I placed this thing right here, it also confirms this thing. Let me go back to 4 hour. So sometimes the market too happens that it does respect our order block there and then come to this area right here. Remember also when the market comes into this area here, we're also having a first touch, second touch, and a third touch. it's possible, it's possible for the market to come into this area and then continue going to the upside, because of like right here we're having a break of structure. There's an order block around this area. So the reason why I'm doing this thing, I want you to not be surprised when the market does something like this. But with the probabilities, guys, I think the market would go to the downwards to this 90% rule. I think the market is going to the downwards after this order block has been mitigated. But for possibilities that it's possible for the market to do something like this, come to mitigate this order block here and then continue going to the upside. So, guys, these are the three pairs that I do want to share with you. I do have some of the pairs right there. I do have indices and crypto markets, but then I just wanted to give you the forex pairs that I do have actually for this week. Yeah, guys, I think for the people who are looking for the mentorship, guys, I'm available. You can send me a message on our Instagram channel. The link is there in our channel. You can send me a direct message on Instagram, or I will put my the WhatsApp numbers for. I'll put my WhatsApp number on the description of this video, guys. You can also contact me there if you are looking for the mentorship. But for those guys who are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe into our channel and help us to grow this channel, guys. Yeah. And thanks for those who already subscribed, guys. I am where I am because of you, guys. Our channel is growing, guys, and then we keep on. We want to keep on giving you a free content as much as we can, guys. Yeah. I hope everyone benefited from this channel, guys. Yeah. See you in the next video, guys. Cheers.